Hello, my dear students. How are you today? Today we are going to continue what we talked about last lesson. It will be an interesting episode. Let's get started.
In this episode, we are going to talk about 1. School subjects.
Can you list your school subjects? What subjects do you have? Which one is your favorite subject? Let's take a look at these subjects. Math, Geography, Science, Arabic, English, Art, Religion, History, Now, listen to these words. Interesting, boring, exciting, easy, difficult, Now, we will use these words to talk about school subjects. Listen to the following short conversations. Do you like math?
Yes, I do.
Why?
It's interesting.
Do you like geography?
No, I don't.
Why?
It's difficult.
Do you like art?
Yes, I do.
Why?
It's exciting.
Do you like history?
No, I don't.
Why?
It's boring.
Let's read this paragraph together about Allah. He speaks about his Wednesday at school. Let's see the subjects that he talks about.
I have history, then I have Arabic. I like Arabic because it's a beautiful language. After that, we do music. I don't like music much. I'm not very good at it. Then we have break. After the break, we do math. The teacher is fun. The last lesson is PE. It's my favorite because I love basketball. Now, write about yourself. What are your favorite subjects? Why do you like them? What are the subjects that you don't like? Why not?
We are going to talk about safety rules of Science Lab. Let's read the rules and put the correct words in the spaces.
Always wear a lab, coat, and goggles. Never wear cologne. Don't play games or play tricks. Don't eat or drink. Keep the lab clean and tidy. Don't touch your face.
Now, listen to these three words and pay attention to the S sound in each word.
Drinks. Says. Watches.
What happened to the S sound? Listen again and notice that the sound of the final S is different in each word. It has three sounds: S, Z, and is. Listen again and pay attention.
Drinks. Says. Watches.
Now, let's listen to the following words, which end with different sound of S. Which words end with S sound like drinks? Which end with Z sound like says? And which end with is sound like watches?
Drinks, eats, gets, packs, likes. Says, feels, listens, studies, goes. Watches, finishes, presses, pushes, reduces.
Very good. Now, let's listen to this poem about Professor Lunel, who lives in his lab. Let's enjoy listening and note the s sound in the words.
Professor Lonel lives in his lab and works by the light of the stars. He takes lots of different chemicals, then mixes them all in jars.
Professor Lunel loves his work, but burns terrible holes in his clothes. He takes powders, liquids, and gases, then watches them all explode.
Do you like experiments? Do you make science experiments? Let's learn this experiment, which is called Thirsty Work Experiment. What are the things we'll need for this experiment?
A drinking straw, a glass jar with a lid, a hammer, a large nail, some water, some clay. Fill a jar with water. Use a hammer and nail to make a hole in the lid of the jar. Make the hole the same size as the straw. Push the straw into the hole. Put the clay around the hole so it's sealed. Now try to suck the water through the straw.
What do you think happens? You can't drink the water because of air pressure. When you suck the water from a straw in a glass, the air presses on the surface of the water and pushes the liquid up the straw. But when you seal the hole around the straw, there is no air pressure on the liquid, so the water can't go up the straw. I wish you enjoyed our lesson for today. Take care and goodbye.